All right, gang. So now you can get in for sales. I will rather as we're looking for sales, we're going over sales now. As prices, I believe prices heading back down. We're in a downtrend. It did retest back up. Anytime price does this, if we have two Fibonacci's on here though, anytime price does this, anytime price goes to zero, goes from 1907 all the way down to 1888 and doesn't break above 27 extension, and doesn't break above 27 extension, doesn't break below take profit 9, and doesn't show us some type of black candlestick, letting us know that price wants to go to take profit 8. I'm looking at, we're looking at price and seeing what price wants to do. This lets us know anytime price does this and just stops at 0 and doesn't go to 27 extension, doesn't show us some type of black candlestick pattern at 27 extension, letting us know that price wants to go to, we move this over some, letting us know that price wants to go to take profit 8, letting us know that price wants to go to take profit 8. Anytime we don't see a candlestick, anytime we don't see that, every time we don't see price do that, this lets us know that all right, price doesn't want to go to doesn't want to break below take profit 9 and go to take profit 8 yet. Anytime we see that, we wanted to see a bearish engulfing pattern, another black Marubozo candlestick pattern, some type of candlestick pattern letting us know that price wants to go to take profit 8. Anytime we see that, all right, we get out the trade, and we want to, this is why I say put your stop loss into profit, take profit, as we don't know what the market wants to do, but I would tell you this: anytime price does get to 0 and doesn't go to 27 extension and show us some type of black candlestick pattern, letting us know it wants to go to take profit 8, and wants to continue down, this gives us a clear indication that price, is probably heading back up. It does that, it heads back up, it stops right at 0, and then what we see on the 1 hour, we see yellow candlesticks pushing back up to 0.5. It consolidates at 0.5, 0.3, 382, and then we see another yellow candlestick pushing past 0.5, 0.618, 0.786, and eventually pushes all the way back up to take profit 11. Anytime this happens like this, get out the trade and wait for price to go back all the way back up. We will wait for price to go all the way back up. Show us some type of candlestick pattern, even star. It shows us a tweezer top pattern. First top is in the overall direction of this trend, and the second top is in the direction that price is going in. Now we can get in for a trade. This is what I would do. I will wait, and now, anytime price does this and goes up, goes down the first time, and then goes all the way back up, and then heads back down, shows us a candlestick pattern, and then starts to head back down. Then we could enter. I would enter for a trade here. I would have got out this trade, put my stop loss into profit. When it hits my stop loss, we could have even rolled this back up. Once it hit our stop loss, got us out the trade. Boom, we could have even rolled this back up all the way back up past take profit 10. Past take profit 10. Boom, we could have rolled this all the way back up past take profit 10, boom, and eventually take profit 11, and shows us a tweezer top pattern, and we could have got out this trade once price, start heading back down. We could have got out this trade, then we could have drew our Fibonacci, once price has all the way back up to take profit 11, we could have got out this trade and got in for a great trade at, like 1911, 1910, and you can even get in for a trade now, as we do believe price is heading back down. After showing this tweezer top pattern, this tweezer top pattern will appear at the top of an uptrend, at great trade 1, and now we're going back down. So now you can get in for a trade. This is a stronger entry compared to this entry. As prices stopped at 0, as prices stopped at 0, this is a stronger entry to get in at. It's more at the top. You can get in at the top, for another sell. We get in at the high and we ride it from take profit to take profit. Once price goes to take profit 10, it will go to take profit 9. This is a stronger entry compared to this entry as prices stops at 0. Doesn't show us a black candlestick at 27 extension line. It's know the price wants to go to take profit 8. It doesn't do that. I would have waited and then shows us wait for price, shows a tweeter top pattern, some type of bearish pattern, and then this is a stronger entry to get in at. This gives us more confirmation that price wants to head back down. So we could have gotten for a trade, wait for price, wait for price to make structures, making a lower low, then making a lower high on a 15. I will show you. Wait for price to make a lower high as it already made a lower low. It already made a lower low at Great Trade 1 at 1911. Wait for price to it made a lower low all the way down from 1911 all the way down to 1906, right to take profit 10, right? Wait for price to make a lower high. It'll probably make a lower high back up to eventually 1909. This is 1908 right now. Wait for price to make a lower high, and then you can get in and for a sell. So wait for price to make structure. What? Lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. So back to this is a stronger entry though. This is a stronger entry. It shows us a tweeter top pattern, and after we're seeing this tweeter top pattern, after price goes down, goes back up, shows us a tweeter top pattern, doesn't want to break above take profit 11, shows us a tweeter top pattern, a bearish pattern, and then heading back down to take profit 10. This is a stronger indication that price is now in a downtrend for this week, and we're going to be in a downtrend for this week, this is a stronger indication, wait for price to, you could wait for price to go back up. I'd rather you wait for price to go back up and then show us some type of candlestick pattern, and then you can enter for a trade. All right to our psychological level, right to take profit 11, and then, right, as soon as the price gets to take profit 10, it stops right at take profit 10 at 1905. When price goes to take profit 10, it will retest back up. It just won't continue going back down to take profit 10. It will retest back up and then head back down. Wait for price to make a lower high. Wait for price to retest back up, and then once price retest back up, you can get in for off the lower high and ride this back down. And that's what I would do, gang. And we have our Fibonacci on here. We have our Fibonacci on here as well. Draw our Fibonacci back on here. We have to put everything together again. And we can draw our Fibonacci right to take profit 9. Right to take profit 9, right back, basically right back to 0. And we could draw 27 from there. And once price gets to 27, we can draw another Fibonacci. From 27, we can draw another Fibonacci from 27. Just putting everything together. We can draw another Fibonacci from 27 from here to take profit 8. We could draw another Fibonacci from here to take profit 8. Boom, right to take profit 8. So now we have two Fibonacci, 3 Fibonacci's on here. And I'll keep you updated on that game. If price is making a lower high, it's going to retest back up to 0.786, or close to it, and then make a lower low and continue all the way back down to 27 extension. Once price gets to take profit 9, we'll see what price wants to do. As price can do anything, push your once you're in profit, and you're seeing price starting to head back down, push your stop loss into profit as price can do whatever it wants. Push your stop loss into profit all the way down as price goes past 0.618, 0.5, 0.382. Push your stop loss at 0.5 when price is at 0.382. Just in case, you could, that's a kind of close one as price can, go back to 0.5, but you want to put your stop loss into profit, as price can do whatever it wants, that way, you're not losing too much money. You're not losing too much money in case price does head back up. At least hit your stop loss and you get some profit out of it. All right, gang. So I'll keep y'all updated, gang, what price wants to do. But that's what I would have did in this situation. I would have waited. Shows us a tweeter top pattern, and eventually price should head back down to 27 extension. It should head back down right to take profit 9. Because it went to take profit 10. Next take profit level was take profit 9. You know, once price gets to take profit 9, draw another Fibonacci right to take profit 8. All right, gang. All right, gang.